I needed approximately 80 feet of rope light to put in my media room. And so I bought the 100-foot roll. It came with an extra pigtail or a plug so you could cut the rope lights at approximately every meter, about 39 inches. And it worked out exactly to cover the entire room at 80 feet. I cut it, put the cap on the end of it, and then made another 20-foot section of rope light that I could use someplace else. There's very simple instructions, very easy. One cut, put a cap on, put your pins in, put your other pigtail on, got the heat shrink with it, heat shrinked it to weatherproof it on the other piece, and we're good to go. Great product, highly recommend.
This is my video review of the Cozy Vibes candle warmer. It is very nice to not have burning candle fumes in your house. Apparently that is now a bad thing. So you can have nice smelling candles without having to also get cancer. Good. So it comes with a nice sturdy marble base. This is a very pretty kind of rose gold color stem here and white top. It actually has 2 halogen bulbs. They give you 2 boxes. One you screw in and the other is a backup, and has a very nice control panel here with a timer. You can just put that in, and it is also dimmable and has a timer here. And it does a good job of quickly warming up the candle and making the house smell nice. A+, 5 stars.
Saludcita para todos, bienvenidos, gracias. Gracias, bienvenidos todos. Continuamos, muchachos, ¿qué tenemos por ahí? Un corridazo para mi amigo Gabino. Pescuezos, una cumbia y viene el corrido para ti. Pescuezo de pollo, vamos a bailar. Cumbia, que viene el corridazo para mi compa.
Hi there, here's the completed diamond painting kit for adults. This one is 25 centimeters by 35 centimeters. It is a smaller version of other ones that I have seen. The legend, it is quite clear on what color, what number to the coordinating bag. It does come with a tray and some glue and one of those applicators. Looking here, it is definitely dimensional and most certainly a great project for any age. Enjoy!